Whoa. Look what I got for Christmas, Mom! Well, I'm tired of these Outlook emails, bro. I'm not joining orientation. I'm a senior. Hold on, you know, we gotta go on a Snapchat. Let's see what... Ooh, damn! We're going straight to the story. You can be like, why is Josh adding everything on the story? Obviously, don't have me on Snapchat. If you don't have me on Snapchat, add me on Snapchat. Say hi to Parker, the 7-foot giant. Don't zoom in on my kitchen, it's dirty! Day in the life of Josh. Shout out to Rachel. I'm doing the other one. This one's a lot better. I love the smell of fresh kicks, bro. Dang, y'all really like paparazzi, MTV. This is a good shot. Lighting. Did you hear the wind in that? That's how you know I'm fast. I just love when you take stuff out of the dryer and it's just warm. It's like comforting. It's like when your mom makes homemade cookies and you take that first bite and you're just like, yes. Hold it open for her, Zon, because we're gentlemen on the men's basketball team. Benjamin! He didn't see me. That's awkward. What's up, Mr. Garrett?
You're mic'd up, bro?
Yeah, sorry. Do you want to say hi? Say hi.
Oh, hey.
I want everyone to know, you gotta carry extra mass. If you don't carry extra mass, you're not safe. Hold on, now these gotta go on Instagram. Ari wants you to videotape my pain.
You want the high speed or really?
No, please don't do high speed. I'm really about to cry then. You can't have me filming crying. I'm joking. They already did that one time. I'm loving the publicity so much. You know, I'm built for this. All right, let's get it popping. You just airball? You did that on camera too. You don't make me talk trash on camera? Oh! I talk trash beforehand. This man trying to show off for the camera. I'm a great passer. That's why I'm a point guard. I'm gonna hit the Dougie after everyone. Don't make me wave. Oh, I missed! I did it too early. That's a blooper. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really can't make a shot. My feet are in pain. Yeah, it holds them. They don't have the Bluetooth. I'm not trying to be like you, bro. You're the Mr. GOAT. Mr. All Time. Oh, yeah, we gotta run that back. Practice about to end. Practice about to start.
Are those the new shoes?
Yeah, they're beautiful, huh?
Coach is gonna be like, yep, take them. You gotta take them.
Mr. Kentucky, how are you? If you guys didn't know, this is Alex. He's from Spain. He's our freshman. Look at the camera. Say hi. Wave at the camera. Thank you. Just let you know I'm mic'd up today, Coach. No, don't. Just accidentally like, yo, I'm just gonna act out a character today. The thing is, I'm really not gonna be able to breathe today. I'll tell you that now. Defense. Oh, I can't. No contact. Social distancing. Let's get it popping, boys. Marcus, wait, Mark. I don't know what I've been told. All I do is talk. Why do you think I'm mic'd up? You don't want to race me on the next one. I have forever energy. I'm like an Energizer bunny. Nobody wants to give you a high five, Garrett. You know why? Because you're a bully.
You're lucky I'm not mic'd up.
What would you say if you're mic'd up right now? Not nice things? We go to a Christian school. Marcus trying to sound like a perfect student.
You do feel like
Yes, you know why? Because I'm fast as lightning.
it's supposed to be like 30.
I thought you go 20. Oh, you do 30 seconds? I just thought you just count to 20. I need a cone, please. Zon, please hand me a cone. A blue one. That's my favorite color. I said blue's my favorite color, and Zon hands me a red one. You're gonna know you as a rude person when you're actually the nicest person, but you want to be Hollywood on camera.
So you just said
I lied. Can you say please? Garrett, I know you're not that far behind me. It's okay, Garrett. If you mess up, it means you're getting better, big fella. No! Man, I'm tired, bro. Good job, Q. You gonna leave me hanging? Well, I cannot feel my triceps, bro. I can't feel my arms. Don't forget, we're mic'd up.
you're a little camera shy. It's all right.
I'm camera shy, excuse me. Mr. San Francisco Bay. Thank you, I appreciate that. Shout out to Eric Demers. Oh, thank you, Q. Mwah. Yo, I'm a true point guard. Look at that. Look at that pass. Impeccable. Jason Williams would be proud. Garrett.
You don't have to
Garrett. I can break them in, but they're valid. They're very secure, I'll tell you that. When you sent me them, I was like, hey, yo, these are tough. Yeah, see, this is why you to go, man. Yo, your shoes are ugly.
$30 on most.
You don't have the practice shoe on. Don't talk to me. I still love you, Parker. You're the nicest 7-footer I've ever met. You look confused, bro. You good? You look confused. You good? No, I'm paying attention. Coach D needs to get mic'd up. Bina, can I shoot for you? Bina said I can shoot for her. Garrett, I made it last time for you. But I made it last time for you. Did I not? No, I'll shoot from the X. X marks the spot, right? Oh my God, that's money. That's money.